Hello everyone, welcome to this session. Today we are going to discuss about the Vijayanagara and Bahumani Kingdom part 3 video. In this video, you will understand this. In this, the military achievements of Krishnadevaraya, the fall of the Vijayanagara Empire, then third point is foreign visitors. These three about we are going to discuss today. Let us see. First one is the military achievements of Krishnadevaraya. As mentioned by the Robert Sewell, the Krishnadevaraya was unparalleled warrior, shrewd the commander and the political expert also. He won all the wars and expanded his empire in the south regions. By the time Krishnadevaraya ascended the throne, the law and order situations of Vijayanagara Empire had worsened due to the internal rivalries. The region between 1510 to 1521 CE are filled with the longer sieges, war and victories. He undertook the 14 major wars. These wars were waged against the Bahumani, Adil Shahi of Bijapur, Nizam Shahi of Ahmednagar, Qutub Shahi of Golconda, the Gajapati of Orissa, and other chieftains. In the 1509 CE, Yusuf Adil Shahi organized a combined attack of Adil Shahi dynasty on the Vijayanagara. The Adil Shahi of Bijapur died in this attack. During this time, Krishnadevaraya annexed the Doab regions of the Raichur. The Krishnadevaraya liberated the Muhammad Shah and made him the king of the Bahumani kingdom. Hence he got the title of Yavana Rajaya Pratistapana Charya. Which title? The Krishnadevaraya he got the Yavana Rajaya Pratistapana Charya because of he made the Muhammad Shah to Bahumani kingdom's king. So this war destroyed the power of Bahumani. Then he undertook the war of Gangaraya, the chieftains of Ummathur. Gangaraya is chieftains. It means head of the Ummathur. So this part was made part of the Srirangapatana. Among the wars waged by the Krishnadevaraya, the war with the Gajapati of the Orissa is important. This war took the place from the 1512 to 1518 CE. He captured the Kondavidu, Vijayawada and Kondapalli. So these were part of the Gajapati Rudra Pratapa Devara's kingdom's southern parts. So these are the parts of these Kondavidu, Vijayawada and Kondapalli. These were part of the Gajapati's Rudra Pratapa Devaru's kingdom. It is locating in the southern parts. Gajapati surrendered and got his daughters married to the Krishnadevaraya. In the year 1520 CE, he captured the Raichur from the Adil Shahi of Bijapur. Yet tough battles took place between the Vijayanagara and Bijapur for the Raichur. The Portuguese supported the Vijayanagara. Earlier, Krishnadevaraya had helped the Portuguese to capture Goa. Krishnadevaraya is helped to the Portuguese to capture the Goa. During his reign, the Vijayanagara kingdom extended from the river of the Godavari and Krishna in the north to the Indian Ocean in the south side. From Arabian Sea in the west to Bay of Bengal in the east side. The Krishnadevaraya he is extended his kingdom from the river Godavari and Krishna in the north to Indian Ocean in the south side. From the Arabian Sea in the west to Bay of Bengal in the east side. The Krishnadevaraya was not only a skilled warrior but also an able administrator also. His Telugu work Amukta Maulyada, Krishnadevaraya's Telugu work is Amukta Maulyada, reveals the shrewdness of the possessed in the matters of the state. He provided irrigation facilities for the expansions of the agriculture. Who provided? The Krishnadevaraya is provided the irrigation facility for the expansions of the agriculture. With the friendship of the Portuguese, he increased the foreign trade. Foreign trade also in his region it was started with the help of the Portuguese. He abolished the tax on the marriages. He is prohibited that marriage taxes. He was great patron of the art, literature and religions. There were 8 Telugu poets known as Ashtadiggaja, 8 poets known as Ashtadiggajas in his court. The Krishnadevaraya was the poet himself. Krishnadevaraya is himself as a poet and wrote the play Jambavati Kalyana. Jambavati Kalyana poet he was written. In the which language? In the Sanskrit. Allasani Peddanna, Nandi Timanna, Durjuti, Tenali Ramakrishna and others were the Telugu poets in his court. So please students you have to remember the all the, these poets names here. Okay. So Allasani Peddanna, Nandi Timanna, Durjuti and Tenali Ramakrishna and others Telugu poets are in the region of the Krishnadevaraya. The Krishnadevaraya constructed the Krishna temple at Hampi. Krishnadevaraya is constructed the which temple? It's a Krishna temple at in Hampi. Along with many of the temples, he erected the Maharangamantapa in the Virupaksha temple at Hampi and also many other temples. The Portuguese travels Peace and Barbosa have applauded the dignity and ability of Krishnadevaraya, during whose time people, all the religions enjoyed the religion of the freedom. So during when the Krishnadevaraya was ruling during that period, all the religions peoples are enjoyed their freedoms. So here is one activities for all the students. Read the story of Tenali Ramakrishna, which will reveal his intelligence. How it was started the falling of the Vijayanagara Empire means that after Krishnadevaraya, Achyutaraya and Sadashivaraya came to the throne, the Krishnadevaraya's son-in-law Ramaraya of the Aravidu dynasties handled the administration in an able manner. Although Ramaraya had improved the prestige of the kingdom. Ramaraya had improved the prestige of the kingdom. By weighing many wars during his 23-year reign, many foes of the sprung up against the Vijayanagara. The contracting to the frequent attacks by the Deccan Shahi Sultans, Ramaraya had occupied the Vijaypura and Golconda forts. This had provoked the sultans to wage war against the Ramaraya. The Deccan sultans, who were envious of the progress and the prosperity of the Vijayanagara Empire, they forgot the political difference and united in the name of their regions. Do you know this? Honnamma was a reporter in the court of Devaraya. Then, wrestling was the most popular sport during the Vijayanagara period. Hariyakka was the famous female wrestler of that time. Hariyakka was the famous female wrestler of that time. In the years 1565 CE, the United Army and the four kingdoms mounted and the attack of the Vijayanagara. Ramaraya's army was defeated in this battle and he died. Ramaraya was died in that battle. The victorious army of the Deccan Sultans plundered the glorious kingdom of the Vijayanagara. As a result, the capital Hampi became the ruins later. The Aravidu dynasty ruled from the Pennugonda, Chandragiri, and finally Vellore till 1646 CE. The chieftains of the Mysore, Keladi, and Chitradurga in the Karnataka became independent. And to the Vijayanagara Empire, there are the foreign visitors also. They have visited the various travel writings of the many foreign visitors who visited Vijayanagara Empire is one of the important source of the informations about the period of the Vijayanagara kings. This is also very important to the Vijayanagara Empire to know the at present. The many visitors from the foreign countries had visited the Vijayanagara. They documented a detail on the kings, their politics, their economy, the society and culture of the Vijayanagara part. The following are the important foreign visitors who visited the Vijayanagara: Ibn Battuta from the Morocco, Harihara first, Niccolo di Conti from the Italy, Abdul Razak from the Persia, Nikitin from the Russia, the Praudadevaraya, Lodovico di Varthima from the Italy, the Narasimha II, Barbosa, Domingos Pais from the Portuguese, the Krishnadevaraya, Fernão Nonges from the Portuguese, the Achyuta Devaraya, Caesar Frederick from the Italy, after the war of the Rakkasa Tangadi, Bardas from the England, after the death of Raja Venkata I, and many others. These all are the foreign visitors has visited to the our Vijayanagara Empire. Most of these visitors are from the Europe. As the sea routes was discovered by that time, the monopoly of the Arab traders was